Welcome to our channel, where we review the latest tech products for you. In today's video, we will be comparing two of the most popular internal SSDs currently available in the market. We will look at their features, performance, and overall value for money. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. When it comes to performance, both Kingston A400 and Crucial MX500 SSDs are considered top-performing products in their price range. However, the Crucial MX500 has the edge, providing faster sequential reads and writes and improved random reads and writes. This means faster boot times, file transfers, and improved system performance. Hence, Crucial MX500 has better value for its price. Both SSDs offer a more reliable and durable alternative to traditional hard drives. However, Crucial MX500 uses Micron 3D NAND technology, which makes it more resistant to power outages and data corruption. Additionally, the Crucial MX500 comes with an integrated power loss immunity feature that preserves your saved work even if the power unexpectedly gets cut. This gives the MX500 an overall edge in terms of durability. In terms of data security, the Crucial MX500 has an edge over the Kingston A400. It comes with AES 256-bit hardware-based encryption that keeps data safe and secure from hackers and thieves. Unfortunately, the Kingston A400 does not offer any encryption that can protect the user data, so data-sensitive professionals and individuals should go for MX500. Price is one of the most crucial factors to consider when purchasing any tech product. While Kingston A400 is cheaper than Crucial MX500, it misses out on advanced features like data encryption, power loss immunity, and improved overall performance. So for a little extra investment, Crucial MX500 provides better value for money, which makes it a more long-term investment. So that was our comparison of Kingston A400 and Crucial MX500 SSDs. While both offer faster startup and file transfer times, the Crucial MX500 has an edge over the Kingston A400 in terms of performance, durability, data security, and overall value for money. To make the best purchase decision, consider the factors that matter most for your specific needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.